Welcome to this guided practice of Yoga Nidra, also known as psychic sleep or non-sleep deep rest. This is a state of conscious relaxation where the body is at rest, but the mind remains awake and aware. Become as comfortable as possible. Lie down on your back, perhaps with a pillow. You can position yourself comfortably with a pillow under your head or knees. Take a minute and settle in, letting your feet fall away from each other and your arms rest gently by your sides. During this practice, try to remain as still as possible. If you need to move, do so mindfully, and then become still again. Your only task is to listen to my voice. Say to yourself now, I am practicing Yoga Nidra. I will remain awake and aware. We will now create a Sankalpa, or an intention for ourselves. State a short, positive intention for this meditation in the present tense. Something like, I am at peace, or I am healing. Repeat your Sankalpa silently 3 times. We will now move quickly through the body. As I name a body part, simply bring your awareness to it without moving. Right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth. Palm of hand, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, right waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth. Left hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, fifth. Palm of hand, back of hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, armpit, left waist, hip, thigh, calf, ankle, heel, sole, big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth. Move to the back. Right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the whole spine, back of the head. Move to the front, forehead, right eye, left eye, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, the nose, the mouth, the throat, the chest, the navel, the abdomen. And now the whole right leg. The whole left leg. Both legs together. The whole right arm. The whole left arm. Both arms together. The whole body. The whole body. The whole body. Now bringing your attention to your breath. No need to change it or modify it in any way. Just watch the breath come and go like an ocean wave. Rising and falling. Now count your breaths backwards from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8. Continue at your own pace. If you lose count, start again at 10. Now imagine your body becoming very heavy. So heavy you are sinking into the floor. Now imagine your body becoming very light. So light you are floating above the surface. I will now name several images. Visualize them as they appear on the screen of your mind. A waterfall hitting smooth rocks. A calm lake at sunrise. Tall grass blowing in the wind. a bullfrog on a lily pad, a black dog running through a field, sunlight filtering through forest leaves, snow falling on a pine tree, a dirt path leading up a mountain, high white clouds in a blue sky, ocean waves washing over the sand, rain hitting a tin roof, a single candle flame in a dark room, an inky black dark night sky. Now return to the image of yourself lying here in this room. And picture your whole body. Remember your Sankalpa or your intention and repeat it to yourself again 3 times silently. Become aware of your breathing. Feel the air as it enters your lungs and as it leaves the body. Become aware of the physical sensations of your skin against the surface beneath you. Now start to bring your body back to awareness of the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a long, leisurely, deep stretch. And when you're ready, roll onto your right side and take a breath there. Then slowly push yourself up to a seated position. Your practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Have a beautiful, wonderful day.